In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Weebly in just 5 minutes. It might seem daunting if you're not familiar with the platform, but with this simple walkthrough, you'll have it done in no time. So let's dive in and get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Weebly's official website. Type in weebly.com or click on the link provided in the description below. Once the website loads, you're going to look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login option. Click on it to initiate the login process. Now you'll see an option to log in with Square, which is Weebly's parent company. Click on Login with Square. This step is crucial since Weebly's platform is now integrated with Square, ensuring seamless access to all your website settings and information. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the overview page on your Weebly dashboard. Here you'll see various options laid out, giving you a quick glance at your site stats and settings. It's a very intuitive interface designed to help you manage your website without any hassles. On the overview page, you're going to navigate to the general settings. Click on this option, which will take you to a section where you can adjust some fundamental aspects of your website's setup. This is the area where we'll be making the necessary changes to update your company or site name. Within the general settings, look for the edit button. Clicking on edit allows you to modify various details of your account, and this is where you'll be changing your site's name. It's quite straightforward once you're in the right spot, but always remember to double check the edits for accuracy before saving. After clicking on edit, the next step is to find the company name field. Here, you will enter your new desired name. It is essential to ensure that this name accurately represents your brand or business identity, as it will be part of your online presence. Take a moment to review the new name for any spelling errors or accidental misprints. Finally, once you're happy with the updated name, be sure to save your changes. This step solidifies your edits and updates your site with the new information. Remember, these changes may take a few moments to reflect across the platform, so be patient. And there you have it, a simple and easy way to change your name on Weebly within minutes. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident managing your Weebly site. If you encountered any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful guides and tutorials.